Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jai Education. Now in this video we will learn and write about 10 lines speech on Independence Day. Let's start. 1. Good morning everyone. 2. My name is Rohit. 3. Today is 15th August. 4. Today is our 79th Independence Day. 5. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. 6. India got freedom on 15th August 1947. 7. We host our national flag on this day with parade. 8. We sing our national anthem. 9. We celebrate this day with joy and happiness. 10. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.